see an educational purposes only channel. No children.
Good morning, all my beautiful people. Today is Monday, June the 22nd. Miss Gigi is day one of week 13. 84 days from seed. And I'm starting to get an itchy trigger finger. I've been attempting to get some loop shots for you this morning. Shredding my back trying to do it. I'm a little aggravated. Just a little aggravated, Groomies. Whew. But anyways, hopefully I got some decent shots. Maybe y'all can put me in my place, because I'm definitely getting the itchy trigger finger. Anyways, I'm going to throw up a little bit of background music for you and let you look at hopefully some halfway decent loop shots. I needed a new loop. Need a lot of new things. I'm having a hard enough time keeping TP in the house. Be what it be. Alright. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.